Hi, this is Juliet from Turbo, your trustworthy sourcing partner for hand tools. Like Taiwan, a tiny but incredibly diversified island, Turbo is also small in terms of corporate size, but big in variety of tools we supply. Based on the latest figures, Taiwan exports $4 billion annually and among the top 3 in terms of export value in global hand tool industry. Leveraging the vibrant network of hand tool industry in Taiwan, tools supplied by Turbo are used across various applications. The partnerships Turbo has been building with tool factories in Taiwan have made Turbo a pivot on this hand tool supply chain. More importantly, our strength to incorporate application into tool design reaches buyers and factories of tools. With the application-centric approach, we ensure tools we supply are indeed the solutions of users' pain point. From material selection to prototype, we make sure final tools are both efficient and ergonomic. For instance, the tweezers we supply for holding delicate electronic components are made of anti-magnetic material, while the tweezers we offer for jewelry making have to be heat-resistant due to constant exposure to extreme heat. Supported by solidified hand tool industry in Taiwan, our core capability to coordinate manufacturing processes a single hand tool goes through makes Turbo the preferable stop buyers of tools go for. Along with the strengths mentioned, the following features further cement our position in hand tool distribution. Our agile response to emergent tool demands is backed by our sufficient stocks. This attribute makes us an authorized sourcing partner in several critical supply chains. With uncompromising quality control of our team, we minimize the need for costly rework or scrapping of defective hand tools at our customers' ends. In the meantime, our expertise in packing well protects each tool in transportation. Design team of Turbo is also of great help for your branding requirement. We make your tools outstand in a crowded marketplace. Hand tools we offer can be grouped in 3 major categories, which are home improvement tools, electronic tools, and craft and maker tools. Today, with a bunch of tutorial videos online, the profile of tool users are more than just professionals. In view of this trend, Turbo offers affordable tools to everyone who joins this ongoing DIY movement. Tools used in electrical projects, network building, and plumbing, such as pliers, cutters, crimping tools, screwdrivers, and tool organizers, are all within our offerings in the category of home improvement. Our electronic tools, widely applied by engineers in electronic and semicon industries, are the tools used in soldering, crimping, planting, and also for ESD-safe environment. Almost every tool you see on engineers' workbenches and tools on the assembling lines of electronic factories can all be sourced from Turbo. For craft and maker community, Turbo recommends tools of the trade, such as our top-selling rotary tool, flush cutters, torches, and more for areas like 3D printing, drone assembling, and jewelry making. Though each field seems irrelevant with each other, but intriguingly shares many tools in common. In 3D printing, the requirement for clean cut of filament is the same as trimming wires in jewelry. And the surface treatment of 3D printed objects relies on assorted grinding tools also useful in jewelry making. By offering integrated tool options, Turbo is proud to be the impetus for craft and maker community. Looking into the future, factors of uncertainties make procurement decisions more difficult than ever. Though challenging future lies ahead, opportunities are also around the corner. If you are seeking a trustworthy supplier and aiming to earn better margins, please consider Turbo as your sourcing partner because we put your concern for profit seriously. On top of that, comprehensive hand tools as durable supplies make us the easiest sourcing partner to work with. With our guarantee of being fully respected, the uniqueness of your local market, flexibility in MOQ, availability of free sample, and our quick fulfillment service, let's work together for your hand tools in demand.